Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel Tony Best Cosmetics. In this channel we review more about skincare and haircare products. So today in this channel we are going to list out top 5 best hairstyle for kid girl. But before I start, please subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload new video. Choosing the best hairstyle for a young girl involves considering factors such as her hair type, length, texture, and personal preferences. Here's a full explanation of various hairstyles suitable for kid girls. 1. Colorful pigtails. Easy hairstyles for kids. Colorful pigtails are a fun and vibrant hairstyle that allows kids to express their creativity and personality. Here's a more detailed explanation of how to create colorful pigtails and some easy hairstyle ideas. 1. Start by parting the child's hair down the middle to create 2 equal sections. 2. Use temporary hair color sprays or hair chalk to add vibrant colors to each section. Let the child pick their favorite colors. 3. Divide each colored section into smaller subsections to create individual pigtails. You can make as many or as few pigtails as you like, depending on the child's hair thickness and length. 4. Optionally, add fun accessories like ribbons, bows, or beads to the pigtails for extra flair and personality. 6. Finish by gently spraying with hairspray to help set the color and hold the style in place. With this colorful pigtails hairstyle, kids can express their creativity and have a blast showing off their vibrant hair. 2. Colorful headband hairstyles for kids. Creating a colorful headband hairstyle for kids is both simple and adorable. Here's how to do it. 1. Choose a colorful fabric headband that matches the child's outfit or their favorite colors. 2. Have the child brush their hair to remove any tangles and make it easier to work with. 3. Place the headband over the child's head, positioning it where they prefer, either closer to the hairline or further back. 4. Take small sections of hair from each side of the head and tuck them behind the headband, ensuring the headband is fully covered by the hair. 5. Continue tucking small sections of hair behind the headband all the way around the head until the headband is securely in place and all the hair is tucked in. 6. Once all the hair is tucked in, adjust and fluff the hair to create a fuller look if desired. 7. Optional. Add hair accessories like bows, clips, or flowers to further embellish the hairstyle. 3. Braided buns. Easy hairstyles. This side barrettes hairstyle is easy to achieve and adds a playful touch to any child's look. Creating braided buns for kids is a charming and elegant hairstyle. Here's a step-by-step guide to achieving this look. 1. Start by parting the child's hair down the middle to create 2 equal sections. 2. Begin braiding each section of hair into a simple 3-strand braid. You can braid all the way down to the ends or stop halfway for a different look. 3. Once both sections are braided, secure the ends of each braid with small elastic bands. 4. Take one braided section and wrap it around itself to form a bun. Secure the bun in place with bobby pins or hair clips. 5. Repeat the same process with the other braided section, forming a second bun next to the first one. 6. Adjust the buns as needed to make sure they're symmetrical and secure. 7. Optional. Add hair accessories like bows, flowers, or decorative clips to embellish the braided buns and add extra flair. 8. Finish with a light mist of hairspray to help hold the style in place throughout the day. This braided buns hairstyle for kids is not only adorable but also keeps their hair neatly styled and out of their face for all-day play. 4. Front-side ponytail. Easy hairstyles for kids. Creating a front-side ponytail hairstyle for kids is simple and stylish. Here's how to do it. 1. Start by brushing the child's hair to remove any tangles and make it smooth. 2. Part the hair slightly off-center, either on the left or right side of the head, depending on preference. 3. Gather a small section of hair from the front of the head on the side with more hair. 4. Secure this section of hair with a colorful or decorative elastic hair tie to create a ponytail. 5. Optionally, you can leave the ponytail as is for a classic look, or add a fun accessory like a bow or flower clip to embellish it. 6. Let the rest of the hair fall naturally, or you can gently brush it to smooth out any flyaways. 7. Finish with a light spritz of hairspray to help hold the style in place throughout the day. This front-side ponytail hairstyle is quick, easy, and perfect for kids of all ages, adding a touch of charm to their look while keeping their hair out of their face. 5. Double daisy braided. Easy hairstyles. Creating double daisy braids for kids is a sweet and whimsical hairstyle. Here's how to achieve it. 1. Start by parting the child's hair down the middle to create two equal sections. 2. On one side of the head, divide the hair into two sections, a top section and a bottom section. 3. Begin braiding the top section of hair into a simple 3-strand braid, starting near the forehead and braiding towards the back of the head. 4. Once you've braided the top section halfway, secure the braid with a small elastic band. 5. Repeat the same braiding process with the bottom section of hair on the same side of the head, starting from the same point near the forehead and braiding towards the back. 6. Once both braids are secured with elastic bands, gently tug on the edges of each braid to loosen them and create a fuller, more voluminous look. 7. Repeat steps 2 to 6 on the other side of the head to create a matching set of double daisy braids. 8. Once both sets of braids are complete, take one braid from each side and bring them together at the back of the head, securing them with another elastic band to create a daisy chain effect. 9. Optional. Add hair accessories like colorful bows, clips, or flowers to embellish the braids and add extra charm. 10. Finish with a light mist of hairspray to help hold the style in place throughout the day. This double daisy braids hairstyle is not only cute but also keeps the child's hair neatly styled and adorned with playful braids. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any questions you can drop it on the comment section and places. Don't forget to subscribe to our and click on the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload new video.